eventually should reach a point where I just win. Nice. Three, two, one. Oh. Oh, hallelujah. Kill him! Please, fucking someone die! Oh, my homies. My homies. What? I'm against Bifrost? T fucking flash exhaust. Vincent! You flash? You're a dead tree, my friend. What? Holy shit, Lyra's too good. What the fuck? Oh man. Oh shit, dude. What? What the fuck? Okay, you're still dead. No! What? Wait, that hitbox is massive. I'm not chasing you anymore, don't worry. Oh shit. You mind game me! I live to see another day. That was a clean wall jump by Riven. Oh, this guy! I've never seen such a good bard in my entire life. I'm just trying to mind game you, Vincent. You gotta be able to handle the pressure. Alright. I'm ready for the sick ulti, Vincent. Where's the sick ulti? Oh my god, it hit my clone! You know that? No, it hit my clone. Oh shit. Vincent, you're just sacrificing your teammates so you can live? That's fucked up, man. Look, all your teammates are just dying because you held your ulti to save yourself. You're back there, you little pussy? Where are you? Oh, fuck! Vincent! Wait, did all your saplings explode? Did your saplings explode? No!